Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Designs, and today I'll be showing you how you could create this product animation page in Figma. And without much ado, let's get started. Welcome back. Okay, so today's video is probably going to be long, but I'm going to try and skip some steps. Okay, and probably what I'll be skipping would be something that I've created video for before now, right? I'll just attach a link to them in the description. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with a frame. Okay, we need to change the color of this frame. Go to fill, the next one, which is gradient, change it to radial. The one that's 100%, yeah, that's the one below. Change the color to the actual green. The one above, change it to, it's kind of white, but it's not pure white. Okay, and yeah, I'll quickly add the add grid. Okay, now next thing is the navigation. Okay, so there's already a video for this before now, so it's probably not gonna be a problem attaching the description. Next is this text and how was that achieved. Yeah, if you look here, you'd see that the texts are sliding up, right? Yeah, so I have a different flavors, right? So I'm going to put in them in auto layout, putting them in auto layout. I'll just use shift A to be faster. Now I'm going to frame all of them, right? With frame selection, right? So next thing I'll do is to look here. I clicked on clip content, right? Using I click on clip content so that once I move this frame, I'll be able to clip others so that they won't show. Let's quickly put this in another frame so that um, we can move those text in. So now we are done with this frame. Let's bring this here. Okay. Now for other texts, as for this, I showed you guys how to get icons from Iconify before. There's a video for that plugins. You can look that up. Okay, so I'll just drag this one in here as well. Just leave a space of 12. Send it. Okay, now for this, it's also just from Iconify as well, from plugins. You can get your icons. These are icons. Okay, you can drag this here. Now we have the drink, the image of the drink. Drag this here as well. Let me see the spacing here. H328. If you look below, you see we have a kind of shadow here. We have a kind of shadow, and I'll show you how we could create that. So we quickly do that by drawing a rectangle. That's a 318 and 40. Okay, so it was kind of like a trapezium, so we could adjust this and also adjust this. And we want to give it a linear gradient. We could bring this here, bring this here. Make both black. So make this black, but on this one reduce the opacity, right? And we give it an effect of layer blur. Let's just say 10. Okay, and reduce the general opacity to the visibility to let's say 80. Yeah, so we've been able to achieve that. Yeah, next this, just drag them from here. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm just trying to use my rulers to know where I'll be placing this next. Now these were blurred, okay, they're not as visible, so would be turning on the layer blur, setting to 50. Now we duplicate this frame, okay. We change our radial color, the orange one, and we change our text. By simply moving it up, we shrink this to 120, 120 by 120. Bring it a bit down here. We'll bring this here, 764, right? Turn off the layer blur. And I think we should blur this too, give it that effect. 50. Yeah, this was the one we drag, so we delete it. Move this rest here. I'm gonna bring this one up so that we can use our ruler. Okay, I think we're done with this. So duplicate again, right? Um, change our text to the next one, which is blue. We reduce this back to the small size of 120. Turn on the layer blur and bring it back here. Right, take this one here, bring this here, turn off the layer blur, 764, place it back, and put this here. Okay, we need to change the color to blue, right? Yeah. So we do the same thing again. We change our text, strawberry. We reduce this to turn on layer. We reduce this to 120. Okay, bring by this side. Take the one here. Expand this one. 764 again. Turn off the layer blur. Move this as well to here. And this here. And change our radial color to this. Now, almost getting to the end of this. Finally, the last one. Okay. Reduce this to 120. Turn on its layer blur. Take this to this side. Let's change our text. Okay, now the red one, bring it to the center, turn off its layer blur, 764, and finally remove this. And we change our radial color to this. Now, we're done with the design part. Now we need to prototype. Okay, we simply go to our prototype tab. Oh, let's quickly detach all this, previous prototype, right? Yeah. So now from the first one, we drag it here. Okay, and we set trigger to click navigate. So now when it comes to animation, you set it to smart animate. I'll change to custom, right? Change this to 1500 milliseconds, and kind of adjust this a bit. Okay, once you're done with this, it should follow suit for others. Now you go to the second one, drag it. You can see that the settings follow suit. Okay, you go to the third one, you drag to make sure that you're dragging from here to the next frame. Okay, you see that it follows suit. So go to the this, you drag, settings still follows suit. Then the last one, you drag it to the first one, to the first frame. Okay, so that's basically all. Now we can name this, create the starting point, flow 9. Okay, and we can preview this here. Preview this. This is basically what we have done. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. If you find this useful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Stay blessed.